So today, we're gonna show you how to use the pipe dream on your chrome plated parts. A couple of things you need to know about chrome. If it's deep scratched, you're not gonna fix it. You don't wanna put a buffing wheel on chrome because you'll end up buffing through the chromium and into the nickel, and you'll leave a nice spot right there. Nobody wants to see that on chrome. Chrome's kind of finicky. When you get a rust spot on chrome, you can clean it up, but it's gonna come back. We use the Renegade Products pipe dream and a prep pad. If you don't have a prep pad, you can use a microfiber. It's not ideal. Without a prep pad, this is where a terry cloth towel is gonna come in handy because you need more agitation with this to help get these rust spots off. Like anything else, you only wanna do horizontal or up and down motions. You don't wanna do circular. That can put scratches in the metal. We're not trying to do that. Just some nice, easy, light pressure. You don't need a whole lot of pressure when you're doing this. So like with most of our metal polishes, you can let this haze over and it's not gonna hurt you, okay? If you wanna go ahead and start wiping it off while it's still on there fresh, that's fine. But if you let it sit for 30, 45 seconds, let it kind of dry out a little bit, it might make it a little easier for you to actually wipe it off. Now we're gonna take our microfiber towel and just start smoothing it out. So now that we've removed the pipe dream from the pipe, from the chrome, it's nice and shiny. But keep in mind, the little surface scratches, they're not going away with this, okay? This is just so you can clean it up, get rid of some of the rust spots. This is something that you may have to do a couple of times just to make sure everything's gone. So the good thing about the pipe dream is it has some sealant in it that's gonna help protect your chrome. It's also got color enhancers and it's got conditioners in it that's gonna fill in the gaps when your chrome starts to kind of crack and pull away from.